Good swerve, baby. Yeah, keep looking ahead. There's more stuff usually. Oh, there's more. Yeah, look ahead, look ahead. All right, so we're gonna be riding down the main highway over here. Wherever we are at, the rider is going to see something in the roadway. Remember, it's roadway surfaces, roadway hazards. So plan your whole ride. You know, position yourself for safety. Locate these hazards. He locates it, and he's gonna adapt to the hazard. And all you had to do is switch over one lane position, which is like a minor swerve, really, because you do it anyways when you're riding, just moving lane positions. Like it's not a big deal. And he's negotiating that hazard if he had to. It really wasn't, or the threat, it really wasn't, because it was just kind of in the way. He just had to move over a little bit. One thing he could do is have himself a rock form mount. Boom, boom, grab yourself a rock form mount using the code in the description. Yes, I will plug things in. I will. Got to pay the bills. YouTube doesn't like it when I play crashes. So anyways, we're going to be moving forward. Okay, why is this vehicle on the shoulder? Why is this vehicle swerving to the right? This vehicle right here is on the shoulder. This vehicle's moving to the right. It's kind of weird, huh? What's that? Huh? What's going on, right? Uncommon thing in a common situation. Once you have that gut feeling, you are going to need to go into orange stage. Orange stage, you're prepped and ready for something. You're really starting to scan for those escape routes. You're covering those brakes. You're getting ready to swerve. You are ready. Because all of a sudden an uncommon thing in a common situation pops up right there. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move forward a little bit more. All right, tire flew off. Let's go ahead. Got some alligator skin on the ground right there. So we got a tire right here. He did a great job swerving around the tire. He's still within his lane. You know, he's not going off the lane. He still has plenty of room over here on the left. You have these little rumble strips though, so that might be a little scary when it's all bumpy. But he did a great job going around this. Now, that's just one hazard. That's just one. Keep your eyes on the road until you're free and clear. You pass the hazard, don't look back. You've seen it once. You don't need to look back and figure out what it really was, because you already know what it was. So once you pass it, move on to the next hazard, because you got more debris on the road. We got this right here, and then we're going to see some more stuff up here. There's going to be a lot of different things that are going to be possible problems for us. Remember, it's not just about running it over and calling it a day. It could have a nail in it. It could get launched up, slice your fuel line. It could slice up a brake line. It could slice up your clutch lever. It could hit you in the toe, maybe break your toe. It could get launched up into your shin. If you didn't have protective gear, boom, now you got a gash in your shin. So it's just not something you want to do, okay? It's just not something you want to do. So we're going to, oh, there we go. So we take our hands off, but then we got more stuff. It's like, what do we do with this? Now, it looks a little minor, but like I said, it could get launched up and hurt some things. Great job adapting to those hazards, baby. Did a great job. Great job. Good swerve. Keep your eyes on the road. Hands on the handlebars. There it is. You see how it's like, oh, crap. The thing is, his fundamental skills kicked in. He was a smart rider, situationally aware, kind of lapsed a little bit, but got back into it really quick. He has fundamental skills kicked in, so he maintains them, right? He goes to a parking lot, watches motorcycle training concepts to get more of that stuff. He has gear on. It looks like he's got full gear. He doesn't have to rescue anyone, and he's teaching us, damn, 4 out of 5 on the Smart Rider principles, only because there's nobody that got hurt that he can help out. Amazing job. I love seeing these things because this is a great learning lesson for all of us. All right, let's move on to the next one.